Jumping on the bed, lady finger fell off and bumped her head. Potato called the doctor and the doctor said, no more vegetables.
You like banana? I also like banana. It gives us strong bones. Do you like this? It gives us strong bones. I can also see the king of the vegetable. What is that? Oh, you know? Wow, I'm so happy. And what is the other name of this?
Eggplant.
Eggplant. My dear children, very nice. You know watermelon has how much percent of water? 92. Sorry, give me a high five. Wow, so nice. Yes, 92% of water. And this is mint. See, they're different. Yes. What is this? Bitter gourd. What is this called? Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd.